The role is a management role, and the management role is a difference from an execution role. So these people, they need to be able to deal with things they do not know yet. How they can make that easier and find that out is, there is a ChatGPT sequence I typically use. Just go to ChatGPT, let them go to ChatGPT and say, my client complains about this and that, or I have this and that situation. Instead of this situation, I want, and then what do you want instead, right? For example, client complains about, I don't know, the deadline was missed. My situation that I desire is I want to deliver the project in time and make my client happy again. So now you told ChatGPT the situation and the gap. And then you ask, which questions do I need to answer so that you can give me advice on how I can get to my desired situation? And then ChatGPT will list you the questions, and then you answer it, or your team member answer it. First, this, second, that. And then you get some good advice. Now the person should use that and go to you and ask some questions and get feedback from you if this is the right approach. But they need to own it. You don't need to tell them each and every detail how to handle a specific situation. They need to find that out. They can use you as a resource, but don't make that mistake to give them every solution, because it will make your life worse in the future, as they want for every problem the solution from you. Tell them first what ownership means. What ownership means is that whenever you have a problem, it's like a monkey sitting on your shoulder that wants to get food. Otherwise, the monkey will bite you, right? That's from monkey management philosophy, but that's the problem. Now it's your job to find food, feed the monkey, so that you don't get a pain from it. In other words, when you have the problem, it's your job to own it, to solve it, to use resources to speed up the solution. If you get totally stuck and you have no idea how to solve it, sit down, calm down, write down the questions, what you don't know and what you want to know, and then use ChatGPT and other people in the team. But still, it's you to have to solve the problem. They need to understand that, otherwise they will never step up as a manager. And a customer success manager and a squad manager, they need to have management skills, right? And that's problem-solving skills. So you cannot predefine every situation, because every situation is a bit different. And when they are not able to solve a situation, unless it's clearly defined, they will never be able to solve any situation, as they are all different, right? So what you did is let them write down a list of situations where they wish guidance for, but then also ask them to write down how they would handle the situation with their current knowledge, right? That makes them think, okay, so how would I solve the problem, right? Because just throwing the problem over to Sergio is easy, but stating the problem and then defining how they would solve it, that makes them think. That triggers their development. And then you can just feedback that.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to move to the next step, you can start with the resources I linked below this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like it below and share it. It will help to support this channel and create more helpful content for you regularly and make our digital work world a better place. Cheers and see you soon.